Alright, hello everyone, it's Jared here from Crypto Plan, and via a request from the comments, because I was asking for small cap cryptocurrency projects to do some short-term analysis on and see where they're heading in the near-term future and potentially reaching out to all-time highs, I guess. But we have been suggested to do DISTRICT0X, so DNT coin. Now, I've just had a look at CoinMarketCap here, and it has a $26 million US market cap, 24-hour volume of 3 million, which is good. And it has seen the last alt season, so that's good. So there's some price history there. And then we are looking at kind of it's using the ERC20 token smart contract stuff, so something in the DeFi space apparently. But you know, this channel is not all about the fundamentals. The fundamentals probably aren't the strongest thing that we're looking at coming into a bull run. It's more the technicals, as in how are the structures playing out and how are they going bullishly compared to the rest of the market. So let's go back over to the chart and have a look. But before we do, if you could like the video, subscribe to the video if you're new to the channel, and click that notification bell if you like this content and want to see more of it. Okay, so we are on the Coinbase daily chart for DNT over USD. And we can see straight away a couple of things: that we've had a bull flag playing out, so a big pump up and a flag consolidation pattern since the 5th of November. So it kind of pumped a little bit earlier than kind of some of the major altcoins like XRP. Massive spike in volume. So, you know, whether or not that's a pump and dump situation, I don't think it is, because it didn't go up and down. So it's definitely a normal structure that we're looking at, but now we've seen lower volumes fading away into the distance, and more recently quite low volumes. But if anyone has seen my analysis and the things that I'm looking for in my structural of these bull flags is, and we're going to go and grab our highlighter tool, is that we've had our one dip towards a support level, a two dip towards a support level, consolidation, and then this third dip towards a support level. So it's playing out structurally the same way that a lot of these bullish altcoins, silver, things like that are quite volatile, but you know, and have large flags, and then you know, volatile consolidation periods as well, and then break out to higher levels. So it's ticking all the boxes technically, for the fact that it is looking bullish for the future. So what we are looking at doing is, I guess heading somewhere in this pattern, right? Onwards and upwards, right? So let's see where it's going to go. So I'm going to get rid of all this junk, and we're going to start our analysis. So looking just at this particular pump here, and if we were to run the Fibonacci retracement on that particular pump, we might kind of pull back here and see that straight away we might have some kind of target there of about 22 cents. So from 4 cents to 22 cents, that's one target we can look at. Now, if we were to use our kind of trend angle analysis, so like if people see my videos, I like to kind of use a couple of different methods to see which one gives, well, to try and get an average price prediction. So if we grab our tool there, and based on this last kind of touch point, we might then go that, because that flag was super bullish, and if it was going to repeat that again, we might get something along these lines, so up to the 39 cents in the next pump, you know, so we might overextend even what the Fibonacci is saying. And then we've got potentially, and I think we might have to go back to Coin Trader. So if we go back to Coin Trader Pro and we go DNT over USD and have a look at the all-time data and see where we're at. In the full bear cycle, we could probably actually we'll go 47. Yeah, so let's go something along these lines. So the full retracement of the bear market, and where are we at? And let's say if it's going to try and reach towards that 702 level, so somewhere in the middle there, because things like to make it back there, and that is the 32 cent level. So where are we? Got something in the middle there in the 30, 31, 32. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm comfortable predicting in the short term. That is the next pump. Now what we could see, and this is what I'm saying, so and I'm calling a pump like this kind of leg up, the flagpole per se. So what we could see, and we'll get rid of these, is that if there is an alt season, we see a lot more bullishness. But what we could see is that, so if this has been up here and it's gone up and then it's gone down, that we reach out somewhere around there and then we come back somewhere around here and then go up again. Now this bit here could extend further and kind of come back and be a bit more volatile and go up, but essentially that's the kind of figure. And so once again, like all my videos, I'd say if you're looking at doing a trade and you had it from down here at less than a cent and you want to take it all the way up, so you want to take it all the way up and go here, well, I've got a 24x there, I might sell out a little bit of my bag. I've got a 35x there, I might sell out a little bit of my bag. And then I've got a 44x there, I might sell out a little bit of my bag on the way up. You know, if you're, you know, if that's your upper target, that might give you 3 kind of sellout points where you might go 10%, 10%, 10%, and then the rest of it's holding throughout the entire cycle of the bull run, which, mind you, if we go back to CoinTrader, and this is where we start to get in kind of guessing game territory, is that something like this coin, if it was to fully extend based on the last alt season and then bear market cycle, we can see something around the $1 to $2 range. So if you got it at under a cent and it goes all the way up to $2, well, what is that? That is some kind of ridiculous amount of percentage gain, right? So that's a 228x. So well done if you got in early before this flagpole played out. But even at today's prices, if it does extend all the way up there, you're looking at a 44x all the way up to the $2 mark, which is not bad, you know. So yeah, look, I mean, that's the analysis there. So we've got a couple of options from today. We've got a 3x, potentially a 5x or a 7x if you were to buy this particular coin today and ride it to the next pump, and then potentially all the way out to the $2 mark. If you scaled out and then had a little bit to play with, you're looking at 48, 50x all the way up to a full extension beyond the last all-time high, based on the Fibonacci. So that's where we're at. That's the kind of analysis for this sort of coin without knowing much about it and just looking at it technically like I have been looking at any other coin. And we'll leave it there. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell if you like these videos and you like this content. Thank you very much, and thanks for listening. Bye.